Welcome. Let me show you how to make a PayPal button to embed on your website. First, log into your PayPal account. Select Buy and Get Paid. Then select PayPal buttons. Choose the Buy Now button. Enter the name of your product. Enter the price and select what currency you want to be paid in, such as UK pounds or US dollars. Ignore Step 2 and click Step 3. Look at the options and click Yes or No to what you want your customers to be able to see. Click Create button. Click Select Code. When it goes blue, touch it and select Copy. Now go to your website. When on your website, go to the editor and select Embed a widget or add HTML code. The location of this will be different on each website builder. The site I am showing is a Wix site. Add the HTML code widget to the page. Click Add Code, and when open, paste the PayPal code into the box and click Apply. Your PayPal button will appear. Move the button to where you want it. Remember to check both desktop and mobile previews, as the button may appear in a different place on a mobile. When you're happy, save page and you're done. If you need to make changes to the price or save quantities, go back to My Saved Buttons in PayPal. Go to the side of your button and select Edit button. Make any changes to the price or description or the payment email. On the second page, you can add more information about your item. Make your changes. Remember, the code is now different. Copy the new code. Go back to your website. In editor mode, click the button. When the code appears, delete it using the back button. Then enter the new code. Click Apply and save page. It's that simple. I will be posting other videos, such as how to link your button to a download, which will download when payment is made.